Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It is true that I have been MIA for a while. I just kind of like peaced out. I bounced. I was gone for a few months and I decided it was necessary to do a welcome back video for myself and to give you all an explanation on where I've been, also what is going to be coming from my channel and what you can expect to see. And lastly and most importantly, my underlying purpose, goal, and mission for my channel. So where did I go? What happened? Why did I bounce and just show up a few months later like nothing happened? At the beginning of this year is when I started my YouTube channel, and I had a goal and an objective to really be delivering content once a week. I was still being a full-time mom, a stay-at-home mom to my now 2-year-old twin girls. I tried my very best to be filming, editing, creating recipes, doing everything that's necessary to keep my channel alive, and it proved to be super difficult, and I felt like I wasn't really doing anything right. I was super worried about not putting out content in a timely manner, and I was like stressed out with my girls. So I just decided to take a step back from YouTube and just to like take a little break and to just really enjoy the summer and these months with my girls and to be really present with them. And I'm really glad that I did, because now I'm back. And the good news is there's some childcare now in my life. So I do have a little breather. I'm going to have more time to dedicate to this channel. And to be honest, I'm really glad that I took this break, because I've been able to really like gather energy and excitement like over all of these months now that I actually have the time to dedicate to my channel. So what you're going to be able to expect from me over the next, I don't know, infinity and beyond. More recipe videos, like the cooking style recipe videos, what I eat in a day videos, also other videos that are just around a plant-based diet, some like discussions, my opinions on things, why I'm vegan, what I think about certain things going on, all of these things that are based around giving you inspiration for a plant-based diet and lifestyle. And lastly, and the very most important thing that I wanted to say in today's video that I really haven't done yet on my channel, but it's actually really important, is my underlying reason and purpose for creating this channel. I firmly believe, and I truly think, that changing your diet to a diet that is cruelty-free and that doesn't involve any animal products can be life-changing. I believe that whenever you look down at your plate and you know that you have made delicious food, that you're eating delicious food, or that you have cooked delicious food and no one was hurt in the process, no one or nothing was harmed in the process, this can change the way that you see the world. It can change the way that you make decisions. It can change the way that you feel. And besides that, there are so many health benefits of a plant-based diet. I really don't see any negative parts in it, and I want to share my passion because I know that this diet has completely changed my life, and I am super passionate about living in this way and eating in this way and cooking in this way that can truly be absolutely delicious. I want to share all of this with you, and I cannot wait for my upcoming episodes and really connecting with you all and showing you guys how great this can be. So thank you so much for being here. It really means so much to me that you are here watching my video. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see what is going to be coming up. And I cannot wait to connect with you in upcoming videos.